feel like that meme of like Will Smith and he's like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air and he's like hanging out the window of his camera and shit. You ever see that meme picture of him?
Doesn't he go to? It's because he's in a nice area though.
I know, but this is like the opposite of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
I mean, he was going to Bel-Air, so he's like.
This don't look like Bel-Air to you?
Well, you know, like some of these houses could be nice if they, you know.
It's kind of fucked because it's like
how bad they are. Like,
speed bump, pile of garbage right there. It's fucking annoying. Like, why is there just garbage in the street? It's kind of weird.
I feel like they probably used. Oh, that one looks like it had a fire. I think some of these must have been nice at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I think probably there's people definitely squatting in there. Oh, looks like a fire too. But I think homeless people probably like.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto.
You want to go down the street?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's.
Sudden there'll be like abandoned house.
See,
like
that
right next
house
to it.
right there could be okay. Like both of these could be fine.
Oh
and
yeah,
they're totally boarded.
like how it's like it's almost like someone lives on one side and then like the other side's like boarded up.
And so much poverty here. Like a lot of them have a lot of potential. Like if these houses were in LA or somewhere.
Love the amount of speed bumps too. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, they don't want people drag racing on these poor streets with the people that have broken up. He's like, get the hell out of my neighborhood. There's a bunch of rundown houses. Yeah, we're getting some. I think there's.
It's like creepy how many people are like sitting on their porch. Like what? That's weird, but I feel weird that I'm like filming them in a way. Like I wonder what they think.
They think that we're assholes. That's what they think.
Probably. Like look at all these poor people.
Oh, there's some rundown houses.
They're gonna say, oh, there's some rednecks. It's like here. Are you sure about
No,
that?
there's no rednecks here.
Not even one.
You're taking.
I've never seen videos where the people are like actually like going inside of places and.
What it said is that just not enough was here, so those are abandoned completely.
Whole ass abandoned buildings. I love it.
Oh my god, look at that.
Whole ass buildings.
Holy shit.
That shit is fucked.
We might have to stop here. So I think
This is
Highland
looking
Park,
like-
because of it being near the city, is good too. You know, like this. Yeah, this is the street from the damn video.
Isn't that creepy?
I didn't say that in other neighborhoods. Did you know that? Oh, how's there a car at
That's
that
what I was
house?
just thinking. Like,
Well, the car's not doing okay either, though.
I was thinking
Oh.
the fucking sun's fucking with the footage.
Yeah, just angle up. This is private property, but
Okay, well, I see.
they're all like 9 out of 10 here are bad. So, oh, there you go.
Yeah. God, that's sick.
That's sad. I mean, it makes me feel better actually saying these neighborhoods after saying that down. Just feels sad, right?
I need to like roll the fucking window down because it's
Get
like
away from
not. Oh, that looks a lot better now that it's focused.
There's a lot of tree though in there, so you can't see it as well.
Right.
Like there's a, I don't know if can you see how the whole thing's falling in on there?
Yeah, kinda. I don't know.
It's like
Then
living next door to that.
right
like
next door is that.
And on both sides, there's another one.
That's fucked up.
She's like taking care of her space though. You know what? She's the one who needs help, like to keep her.
This does look just like in the YouTube video.
They're like or broken, whatever. You know.
Mm-hmm.
So they're gonna hold the car. Just kidding. Detroit.
It is a bit like Elmira here.
Detroit. Yeah. Ooh, baby. So yeah, we're getting down. New, nice cars. Like, drugs.
That one's fucked. That one's really fucked. Like that one, you couldn't even go inside that one.
That's
It's
like so
fucked up.
haunted and crazy.
I know, right?
Sure. Look how well everything else is taken care of.
Well,
Actually,
at least they probably feed the cats still, I hope.
you know what's weird? That one.
Oh, absolutely.
They're all abandoned.
That one's at least fenced off a little bit.
Those are old apartments that are abandoned.
Yep.
Definitely is in a. Have you seen a store recently for groceries? This is a complete food desert, right?
I doubt they're that far from a grocery store.
When did you, I mean, there's some stores, but not grocery stores. Look at these two.
I know, I see.
These two really bad. There's the community garden. It's crazy bad. Did we already go down the street though?
I don't really know. Hold up,
This car won't turn on.
Ew,
It's just-
probably not. There's just a straight up dumpster in the middle of this one. That's kind of fucked.
You can't, yeah. You can't.
That says a lot about the living situation. That one's cool.
So this is like when people, oh, see, that would be a nice house if it wasn't completely bad and boarded up. Right, everybody would be like, they're so nice, that house is so nice, you know, like.
Yeah.
But it says. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Did I go up too far?
You're fine.
What's that music play? Hear that?
I gotta say here. I don't know, probably from someone's house, it sounds like.
There's no houses that close. It's like blasting real loud.
Or copyright music or some shit.
I just don't see where it's coming from, you know?
Yeah.
It's probably coming from that house. That place is insane. It's like,
It's like a whole ass building, yeah.
I feel like it seems like it had like some.
Yeah, but it's like most of the footage when we're driving by places is like kind of out of focus because of like the sunlight is like weird. So it's
They sell stuff that we should go in there. Clothing factory warehouse. Can we go in there? After,
a bunch of clothing stores like it's just chilling behind
not
it.
good clothing stores.
Yeah.
I mean, the industrial areas are definitely interesting as well. Like, what was that, you know?
That's true. Oh god. Fuck.
Oh, here we go. It's gonna butt up to some houses. There's a little block of the sun.
That's so cool.
Looks like a
just
school or something.
Yeah, there are some abandoned schools. God, I wish the fucking sun was higher up in the
We
sky.
can go left, right? I don't
Like,
remember.
I feel like I've seen pictures of this place almost. Like it looks familiar.
I don't remember them all. Like in the videos, were they all brick like this?
Kinda, I don't know.
I feel like they were like right.
Ford's school, that's hilarious. Everything is named after the dude.
I
Holy
know.
fuck.
Couldn't Ford Motor Company fix this? Look.
Jesus fuck. Everywhere I point the camera, there's like the
Sun.
sun, yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's fine.
Even, you know, when we don't fly, we can take random round trip places. Oh my god, every single one of them are
I know.
completely. This is a street. Alright.
Yep,
I knew we'd just start running into them without really looking.
yep.
That's how what happens when.
Yep, it's abandoned.
Some ice cream. I do my urbex duty. All these poor. Oh my god, look straight too. Are we at 7 Mile or something? I don't know. Like, is this.
No, 7 Mile would not be this nice.
Are you sure?
7 Mile would not be. This is like heaven. 7 Mile would be a lot worse, I feel like.
At Franklin Park.
Ugh, look at.
I see that.
If things are not that well, it's like people want to be seen that things are not going that well. So, you know, like maybe they might get help, right? There's definitely a party back. This is dirty song. That's a nice car.
Yeah.
Maybe we're getting. It's the apartments here that are not okay.
Yeah.
Like those are boarded up too. Those apartments.
With Veronica and her banker Roger.
I'm talking about. There's a.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Dana Street.
Actually, it's like all shaded and everything.
Yeah. It feels like it's going back to nature.
Yeah, kinda.
That's what I always feel like these places, which in a way feel cool, but I mean, that's what would happen.
Yeah. But
they're still living here, But
there's still people going about
hang out like this. Oh no, nobody's living there. I squared it up. Looks like somebody was in it. Like,
no, isn't that funny? But like clearly like someone mows the lawn and shit.
that's good.
Yes.
I mean, that doesn't happen other places.
Damn. Damn, girl.
Hey, bus. Feels like that would be the party house. Maybe it was the party house.
Yeah, you're gonna say that. Maybe once was.
I mean, oh, that's seen better days. It's gonna fall down soon. It's fall down, go boom.
Hold on. Board it up. It's like an abandoned house or some shit. There was like an empty house. And I love it. Like,
how do they burn? Like, so many of them are burned on the outside. Not from the inside. They all look burned from the outside. There's two big ones.
yeah.
Should I turn around, or these people are gonna think I'm weird?
That house is cool looking.
Yeah, I want that house.
Yeah, what the hell? Is this someone's yard or is this like a park they just like set up with like like deck chairs and shit, deck tables?
Do they have parties there? It says
Must be.
She was like, ooh. Where Belmont is, we're pretty much in Belmont.
Yeah.
My phone now?
Your phone has a different voice than mine.
Mine's living their lives. Ooh, that's bad. Oh, I think they tried to start a church. There's so many churches here.
Not just here, just like in general. Like, who needs this many churches?
I think I think it's a lack of faith thing. You know, like people, when they're poor, they start losing with that musician. So, you know, I know how to not make urban mistakes, and then I moved to Atlanta after that. So we probably kind of know how not to die. Just throw.
I think I got rid of all my. I think I have $1 left in my wallet.
Well, you did give away some today, but I felt you had a lot.
No, I brought like as few as you would let me carry. Because I did not want to get robbed and lose all my cash.
Oh, dollar bills. How are you going to get robbed of dollar bills?
They will fucking rob you if you have 2 cents.
No.
For 2 cents?
No.
Oh, well, sorry, Ham Palace closed.
What is that thing? It's like they try to make something fancy looking with. They're like, look at our piece of Europe. That whole street was just falling down. Oh, there's nothing here. I mean, it's so scary. Oh, lounge. Oh,
Alright, it's like a whole street of just empty buildings, basically.
Holy God, though. There's fucking fuckery here. No wonder he's not nice. He's not from Detroit. I mean, I guess if... I don't know. I don't feel like people are that mean here yet. This is hella crazy, though. Oh, this area is so weird. This is really... That's creepy as hell.
That house is very strange looking.
Oh my. This is scary. Oh yeah, this feels strange.
It's just because it's a red zone, probably.
Ooh, look. Yeah, this feels like a red zone. Like, it feels really creepy. I don't feel like we're gonna die, just real creepy. Like, in here, this is an area where, yeah, these people are bad.
This is like when SpongeBob went to rock bottom.
These people want to go fast on these streets, too.
They want to get the fuck out of here.
They're like, probably. There's cars sitting, like, I guess probably... I don't know. Some of these people like, over here look normal. I do probably think this is where, you know, the bad drug things go down. Or, not that, you know. food and spirits. I haven't seen a grocery store at all, obviously. I've not seen very many grocery stores at all in Detroit, though. So it's notoriously, oh yeah. So this
I haven't seen
side,
any Bloods or Crips yet that I've
well,
noticed.
if you're looking over here to the left, everybody's sitting on their porch.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 7
Look at
Mile
that
West
motel.
7 Mile Road.
I'm really pissed we didn't stay there. Oh yeah, baby.
So this is 7 Mile,
We gotta go to 8 Mile though.
where Eminem's from, where he's making mom spaghetti.
I do not listen to him at all, but it is like, you know. So again, people have
In a
been.
quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
I mean, it really is nothing here. Like you shouldn't come down here probably again unless you're probably
weird
getting into
how-
trouble. Like there's nothing here. I think that's the point. Is like why would you come here? You know what I mean?
I guess.
There's a grocery store. Thank God. Like where do they grocery
I just
shop?
feel like, as well, like
Virgin hair.
like I feel like the mood all changed. We've been chewed up, spit out, and booed off stage. But jokes aside, no, because I feel like it was all bright and sunny in the other neighborhoods, and then as soon as we came here, it got all cloudy and like creepy.
Oh,
Didn't it?
Really pretty.
Doesn't it look like
Crazy
just,
here.
yeah. The mood all changed.
Like you're
We
not
got-
supposed to be here.
We got chewed up, spit out, booed off stage.
We got
Mile Road.
it's over there too.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that poorhouse. It's really booted up. The one- Though again, they do kind of all look alike, which is bizarre. Kinda closer. Glass.
That's exactly what they
I love
need.
how there's no stores except for alcohol and strip clubs here and gambling. You know,
Yeah.
because we know I like to drink a little.